Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana ensem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching.
Minu asafe na wabepie videos nku so ahye video na like na onyonko ensa enka video no. Don't forget to be plus sign so na wafolum se be ya update bia ba mema won sa ka me say I start now sisi am na wo kasa ide ye ka bonsam sasa bonsam abopu achecha wogu NDC party na Kelvin tie ye na me ka tell say ye wo we to NDC mu no enura NDC ni bi a meninu kese pa be ka tell me say me NDC fo ni minti no mo mfrɛ me no NDC say ni me be ya de NDC fo bi hume me ka no kre me be ya de Ghana fo bi hume she video na like me ka tell say me lawyer Ghanaian say wo hwe efi say me bie me platform bia no me tregu say me lawyer Ghanaian na any say the dia make us Kevin Taylor ye NDC bonsam wo le bigu NDC party ne say wo de ne yafunu enenam said ye brebia ye kan ne say hwe say wo hwe muntaka obi a wa man kola ba ko 500,000 na be fa form no wo ka kire ye say wo be fa emu 5,000 na de ekumi twa ma wo kran say be ene da ha no wo sa ka kire ye say even 105,000 na wo mo qualify no emu 5,000 pe na wo bi tima fa ye de me kan say se muntaka ye bra ho na bu nim say ontimi mfa sa ankola ni na wo mo kotua sika ye den. That is my question. And sa sika no mutu over 500,000 you know wo kokotua ye no sika no ko hin na Kevin Taylor after all this in Kevin Taylor te honom prezi eye muntaka Mubarak said de wo ye no wonye bone ye sa to tie de me kan ye Kevin Taylor kroya ne tena ho na ba na moa odi na tem se wo ye bonsam enne Kevin Taylor ne ti say tie de me kan o sa Kevin Taylor kroya na ge we say your friend said the auto car man no ene ni di wo mo atem ye nyina be defend Kevin Taylor ne Kevin Taylor koto car man no ene osuani menene nyina free area baako agona bipua ene osuani Kevin Taylor start crazy osuani say obeba abre ne mpoboa ne ade enye se obeka se na o ka se we na ye ya na no how can say wo di nkrofo bi anya ntoka ne ye na ye ya be defend wo ne wo no mo akwa ye wan ne ne mo ba be ya atamfo e show clearly say John Dramani mama ni ho no ma dako Kevin Taylor mo fa saba bi ko be betray and this said you betray MPP for no Kevin Taylor betray MPP just like that sika bi na wo pa o man fa ama no e na Kevin Taylor ja no. And don't forget said the nsaka one DCCC ano so obi ba no anfa ama na obe betray ye ni suba ti sekatiche afrifa ti da bia me ka tell say MPP ni a wo so waja MPP no ni hu ohun se ne Melacres Aboaje ni hu ohun se na Bronya ni hu ohun se ne Afenyo Markins eno na Afenyo Markins e ka no papa no kuo na ojo ntu o ka no kuro ye ka tell papa muntaka se nkra mi followers e na me so mo kokofa form so no ebi wa brochire na mo je na me so mo ba kofa e no wo mo ma me no wo mo kunu num nyina se wo mo nto aba man dis da me ka tell mu plain enti muntaka me bra ebe ya di kan resign abufu a edi aba na eso undimi nka nkyere me say me nkonkoto ayi ka baako dumra aba unim se wo garage no e fa ka mienu me nso ana menye ne den nyansafo na so nkyere asɛmte she video no na obi anye awe Kevin Taylor egu party no me next video no me ba bebo video na muntaka se de ade na wo ye nipa bebre agya wo mabufuo wo so omuntu aba man dis bi ma Kevin Taylor ntimi ma bonten e be condemn en ka kire bra muntaka fi sanse de ba bugu Kevin Taylor is selfish interest ne say wo wanya de wo ye nti wo video so wo ye nyina kora no wo followers ya hen en na hwe adom best no hwe nipa bebre nkolai e na promote video yi ma obi a hu say Kevin Taylor de wo kan ye but just a single day kura say me tie say Kevin Taylor kura be ka say this TikTokers no aban twa na ni be hwe mo da kokora won kada na me ka tell say yeah omo ye to party ni mo no ye ntena se mammo a mo de mo yafunu nam ade tia no party wi ade tia me say me ka tell mo say asante atim no vuma organizer adwo asafo a e fa me siesie mi pa adwuma ma me ya yi because of so ye MPP ni me na ntami dwane ja no ba mo de ade tia mo ha no ye ntena se da ye mo de be sie ni because party ye ya wofo edi akire sa abre no wudi party achi JD eba power craft after election JD wini ni power no 94 no ye de mo ene bre ye ya wofo no na bibi pa ba mu no mo ma be ja kenten so afa de mo de ye mo hu yie na wo wi ankrofo a wo no munya beef a ye be kanta no wo wi a wasa akoto ka ma mo a Kevin Taylor me say efiri na economy ni wanya me ka kire wo Ohuru video yo obeka say me pay attention. What attention kan me pay but no ma wo ye nye no na Kelvin Taylor me kan mu bi ate. She video na
I'm surprised say yetimi aba power 2 years in yekwe no obi etimi awia Ghana sika sani amoka wo mo campaign platform NDC I'm surprised the Attorney General is not doing anything to me. Listen, people, a man for listen and sika, and there are so many evidence. I actually say Cecilia da Pamoni dear aye boni and say aso treat me ba serve as deterrent magana for who say boni ana chrono ana corruption enye. That was one of our biggest campaign promises. So be aware the crazy kabia be making sure say ye beji Ghana sika. Eniti na moye bibia ye friend ora. Ene akosi sen eye kasa. Sana mo kasa keke. Ayeni, listen. We will not allow anybody to frustrate this party. No. NDC nyo bia the opposition here the amount. Nobody owns this party. A Congress party. Yeah? Ye can't tell someone fast tracking monioma. No one yai ni amoye and got legal process. Hey, yen na kokotu. Me mananti for the past 20 years. Monti mintre and ye kosu wokotu. Ye nyang kolau. Ade se body no to share yenim sa abin. Nyemu na mbekire se body to share embin yenim sa abin tinashe. Then also Godfred Odamiti opposition or making sure said they be on am court. No person daily at forcing because Najumo person no. Maza, uni bibi. Momi anhani nyoma yi. Mo promise Ghana for say MPP for collapse your mind nti mo bagi sika na momu. That is the biggest promise. Enye is a ho asem ni yeka o. And amount is about to see the nya no ni yeka o. Amanfo awia kro ni sika ye agi ye sika. Ya pese ye wuso obi gina court aye twe na agi ye sika. That is the bottom line. That is what we want to see. It's not about talking. Yet ya and on back at say energy ministry cable subin crofo awia na sa asam no ma sate. You people think we are stupid. We shall see. You better share. Who they say wa? Wallahi. You better share. Share cocoa board. Most MPP for na collapse cocoa board. Oma disike o nyina and na cocoa board ugu and na randia the person revamp cocoa board. And the MPP for disika and omo na wa
eye me call ye no anko yi utie me call ye na anye den anko yi. Okay, all right, tell me ba inti no metna se na maye adwuma and I say I want to take my time and then think of what I want to do next. Me de no me a ubedi metne de American no na they are obetsna ha one more brake kan kwase asem edefa Dr. Baumia any MPP ho no e ka say MPP nya de na NDC better than MPP no or say by force so amen kwate me ho. Hello Sterling who bibi kan. Okay, you pepacho you mate na odi obedi mi mechi ni say okote party ama me by force the base yate a party chale Ghana for me na obedi mechi no me ya baby nkoka say me kote party o say 2x4 adwene na we bedi mechi because o dey say ye be dawa lotion ama ambamu no o dey kwa kote party. Let me tell you people this, and nobody should control me on this. Some of the Kennedy Japan supporters, some of the Brian Champion supporters, some of the Educhum supporters, Cabinet Japan, anyone who went for the election supporters, Amudin kwasi play, enti ana mo ho nya kono bi no. Se moya mo ho sa mo ba be ye mo ho enemy of the state, enemy of progress here. This time around, yen fan chemo. Ye begi doctor campaign ni de sin China ya mampenifo na omo ye yina koye. Na ye no ya seda e de kobre e de aboyeti ene mo atena nkwase a api so Eddin kwasiasem we bin si Ghana da. Se mo obobo obodam a yakoto waba. Abato no yato awie. Di owini ye wini. So far Brian Champo megina baby anka se ote ne ho. So far Kennedy Japan enyina baby aso ote ne ho. Enti abaifo nkurasefo na wo maame no nim nyansa enti no wo mama abodamfo ma na ene wo nyenyem ye. Edi sikadie ne nkwasiasem abefra MPP mu a wo person nkwasiasem ba MPP no you are warned. You are very warned. This time we will not tolerate the stupidness. It's not going to happen. May catch them playing. Mo amujina asa Kennedy Japan kwankwati ni sabi mo no sabi mujina ho ye den. Mo kwati party ne. Aden na mo ankasa mo kwankwati party ne. But mo Jimmy mo ya baifo. At the papa ekoso mo mpenti no, yemfa distraction. Emfa mrem. Until Kennedy Japan does a press conference to tell the whole world, says he say MPP no on kahu bio na wakoti the party no. You guys are irrelevant trash. Mo ye trash. Especially mo am TikTok and social media no. Mo ye trash. Mo ye wura. Mo ye got musio. Those bloggers, 2x4 bloggers, no mukra, 70 viewers, 50 viewers for no. Muntie ni ye pa. Until Kennedy Japan himself tells you so kwatino no. Monfa mani wuo. Mo beye ene mo nkwasi etire esi mo nkwasi akonso enkodi mo maame no aduane. No chance for imbecility this time around. Senkura sesem no ye meso so this time around kra. Na o modam a we be di me machi. Na najwa we be di machi. I don't even care if Kennedy Japan is behind them. I don't give a fuck. Man, no, what I care is that Kennedy Japan hasn't come out to say anything. So for me, he has not come out to say it. Until Kennedy comes out to say it and now he's no longer, then we treat him like Alan. But as it stands, same crasa for na mudi di nechi la sulala for na mudi nechi 50 viewers, 19 viewers for na ya na mudimino. This time be very careful. People think it's a joke. Some obey ye na empire the papa. And untima betina bru chirima mobra. Matri taxi 83 years, 33 years. I'll just say, can you Japan baby belima factory hoa? And I will tax in a Uchin Americano, Ubenya Huskano, Sankurasem. We are not gonna tolerate it no more. Mo amokwaje parian for ye to talk cast mamo, phobia member kwasiye. This time I remember Jimmy. Now, crowd ye say, Yakaso Kolo, a buanka, phobia member, number one. Number one, who we are see our buy, when you go on far and one farm wow. Oh, nyefe. Uti nyefe. Osia pro, wenumu bon. Height so I am maubi. Body so I am maubi. Kasa so I de cabro for so I am maubi. Reading your name, Krana, who nimu ye. Baumia, Baumia. Ne kramayo wo fie kura ho won faso chen wo phobia member Samira Baumia sebio mprediasa waye na ayi awie kura ko yi akone no de oyi akone no kura ho won faso chen wo abu bi tese phobia member na wo sa boy we dia mebo wo phobia member mebo last time we me we feed that any opportunity be a wo phobia member da ye be biem mebo se me yemu ba me kan bibia wo sa boy no mebo. People think it's a joke. When your party politics so there be, some boy need you make no physical, make no physical. Now make no man up on with him. I promise. I bet you come over. So I'll be with you. Me poor boy, me push phobia, me phobia. Ebi an New York or no man ye be invite me here. And New York for ye be invite me the me bawa.